Good morning, winter growth friends. We're here at the Robinson Nature Center. Some of you, like me, may have enjoyed the indoor exhibits here before, but today we're going to explore some of the outdoor trails here in this 18-acre park. The entire park is a certified wildlife habitat, meaning that the 4 elements necessary for wildlife to thrive are all present: food, water, cover, and places to raise their young. We begin with the appropriately named Wildflower Way, where we can see a variety of colorful blooms which change seasonally. This short loop also includes a beautiful man-made pond. As we turn the corner, we find Nature Place, an area specifically designed for children, although many of the interactive elements are currently on hiatus due to COVID restrictions. However, these game tables and chairs are still here, as well as an unexpected piece of artwork. Mud Pies by Ludwig Naus is a reproduction produced by the Walters Art Gallery in Baltimore. The Sycamore Stroll Trail leads us to a huge black walnut tree. Characterized by a unique aroma of the leaves, twigs, and fruit, black walnuts are prized for their beauty, nuts, and wood. Nuts are eaten by humans and are a favorite among squirrels who disperse them throughout the woods by burying them. Juglone, a natural chemical, is secreted by all parts of the tree, preventing many other plants from growing near them. On to the mill ruins. The Simpsonville Mill dates back to 1741. It was a grist mill, meaning that it was used to grind grain into flour. The water from the Middle Patuxent River provided the power to run the mill. The ruins actually sit directly beneath Cedar Lane. I can't even tell you how many times I've driven this section of road and never realized they were there. Walking back along the Sycamore Trail, we see a friend eating lunch, and she certainly was not shy. As we continue, we came across this tulip tree. One of the tallest trees in the forest, the quick-growing tulip tree can reach 200 feet. Colorful flowers that are yellow-orange at the base and green at the top give the tree its name. This tree's straight growth and light color and weight made it a common choice for pioneers building canoes. The lookout loop led us to a beautiful view of the Middle Patuxent River. There were families playing in the shallow water nearby. These tall trees weren't labeled. Notice the differentiations in the bark. Any idea what kind of trees they are? We're almost back to our starting point, and we've come across some evergreens. These are the only evergreens we've seen, but I'm sure there are others deeper in the woods. We've enjoyed our tour of the Robinson Nature Center trails, and we hope you have too. Thanks for joining us as always, and I hope to see you soon.